Theory of planned behavior, Ajzen. The theory of planned behavior, TPB, developed by Ajzen, is a psychological theory that aims to predict and explain human behavior in specific contexts. It's a widely used framework, particularly in fields like health psychology, social psychology, and marketing. Here's a breakdown of its key components. Core concepts. The TPB proposes that behavioral intentions are the most immediate predictor of behavior. These intentions, in turn, are influenced by three primary factors. Attitude toward the behavior. This refers to an individual's positive or negative evaluation of performing a particular behavior. It's based on their beliefs about the likely consequences of the behavior and their evaluation of those consequences. Subjective norm. This represents the perceived social pressure to perform or not perform the behavior. It's influenced by an individual's beliefs about what important others, like family, friends, colleagues, think they should do. Essentially, it's the perceived social expectation. Perceived behavioral control, PBC. This is the individual's perception of their ability to perform the behavior. It reflects their beliefs about the presence of factors that may facilitate or hinder the behavior. It's about how easy or difficult they believe it will be to carry out the action. How it works. These three factors, attitude, subjective norm, and perceived behavioral control, combine to shape an individual's intention to perform a specific behavior. The stronger the intention, the more likely the behavior is to occur. Perceived behavioral control can also have a direct effect on behavior, especially when individuals have limited control over the situation. Key contributions. The TPB is an extension of the theory of reasoned action, TRA, which was also developed by Ajzen and Martin Fishbein. The key addition in the TPB is the concept of perceived behavioral control, which addresses the limitations of the TRA in predicting behaviors that are not entirely under volitional control. Applications. The TPB has been applied to a wide range of behaviors, including health behaviors like exercise, diet, smoking cessation, consumer behavior, environmental behaviors, educational behaviors. In essence, Ajzen's theory of planned behavior provides a valuable framework for understanding the psychological factors that influence human behavior.